The drone community has been buzzing like crazy lately, and for good reason, because the next big thing in compact aerial photography is almost here. Yes, I'm talking about the DJI Mini 5 Pro. Rocket with leaks pouring in about its launch date, upgraded camera, longer flight times, and some serious design changes, this could be DJI's most important release yet. In today's video, we're diving deep into everything you need to know, from the rumored 1-inch sensor and 5.2K video, to its insane new battery life, smarter obstacle avoidance, and even the expected release timeline. So stick around, because by the end of this video you'll know exactly why the DJI Mini 5 Pro might just change the drone world forever. Welcome to my channel Tech Launch. Subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon for the new tech updates. The drone community has been buzzing with anticipation, and the wait for the next big thing in compact aerial photography may finally be coming to an end. The DJI Mini 5 Pro has entered the spotlight through a wave of leaks, insider whispers, and mounting excitement, and if you thought the Mini 4 Pro was already a masterpiece in balancing portability with professional features, then the Mini 5 Pro looks ready to push the boundaries even further. In today's video, we're going beyond the surface hype. We'll cover everything, from the leaked specs, rumored upgrades, expected launch date, and how this drone could completely reshape the ultralight category for both casual flyers and serious aerial photographers. So buckle up, because this is going to be an in-depth journey into what could very well be DJI's most important release of 2026. Let's start with a bit of background. DJI's Mini series has always been about accessibility. When the first Mavic Mini launched, it changed the game by delivering a drone that weighed under 250 grams, exempting it from many of the restrictive drone regulations around the world. That meant more people could fly legally without needing to register, license, or go through complicated procedures. Over the years, DJI refined the series with the Mini 2, Mini 3 Pro, and most recently, the Mini 4 Pro. Each generation has taken a big step forward: better cameras, longer flight times, improved obstacle sensors, and smarter flight modes. By the time the Mini 4 Pro hit the market, it was already offering 4K 100 frames per second video, omnidirectional obstacle avoidance, and advanced subject tracking, features that were once reserved for DJI's higher-end Air and Mavic lines. But if the leaks are accurate, the Mini 5 Pro will bring in refinements that feel more like a generational leap rather than just incremental polishing. Design is always the first thing enthusiasts speculate about, and according to the leaked renders, the DJI Mini 5 Pro looks like it will undergo subtle but important changes. The overall weight is still expected to stay under the magic 249g threshold. After all, that's the identity of the Mini series. But sources suggest DJI is experimenting with new lightweight composite materials for the frame, which would allow for a stronger and more durable shell without increasing weight. The arms may have a slightly thicker profile to improve aerodynamics, and the gimbal housing looks to be more compact, protecting the camera while reducing drag. One leak even pointed to improved weather resistance, with light splash-proofing and dust protection, something drone pilots flying in unpredictable environments have been requesting for years. If these tweaks hold true, the Mini 5 Pro could be the toughest sub-250G drone we've seen yet. Of course, the camera is where everyone's eyes are. DJI has always packed impressive optics into its compact drones, and the Mini 5 Pro appears to raise the bar once again. Rumors strongly suggest